Ask me. I'll tell
So
you.
I'm here with Jeff Hoffman. Jeff, what sparked you to want to be one of the Maui advisors? You could be doing a lot of things. For you to be participating as a Maui advisor is a huge commitment on your part in terms of just saying, hey, I'm willing to take some of my time to share and pay it forward. But why did you want to be involved with that?
It's clearly the snacks, Dave.
For those of you who don't know, today's meeting that Jeff was kind enough to run for us here, he told us that snack food was very important for your business success.
Maui provides snacks like no other entity, so I was willing to fly all the way here for that. Seriously, the mission, I think, of the Maui organization, while evolving, that's what we've been working on today, is unique. I think it's something that's very needed right now by a lot of people in America. I think the mission is getting better refined every day, starting with a very solid base that you guys brought, the history, the content, the experience you developed. But I think we're doing something important, something that will improve a lot of people's lives, something that we can feel good about doing that's unique in the marketplace, and that's just something I'm really excited to be a part of.
Thanks, Jeff. Enjoy the snacks.
Thanks.